Australia's favourite car just got even more popular because 07 build Holden Commodore SSV series now come with free auto. But once they're gone, so you better race into your Holden dealer now.
Normal blow drying can leave your hair dry and brittle. Only new Mitre10 by Sunbeam nourishes your hair with silk proteins and vitamins as you dry, leaving it shiny and healthy day after day. Treat your hair every day with new Mitre10 by Sunbeam.
Yes, it's about time.
What's wrong?
Is Brandy dummy?
Oh, let's get some ice cream.
Okay.
What are you doing Saturday night?
I'm back with Brett.
What's your flavour? Vogue's brilliant new catalogue of summer lighting offers more choices at lower prices. With factory direct savings of up to 40%, it's the hottest light show in town. Get ready for the new year and save on energy-saving downlights, dazzling designer lighting, and fabulous casual or outdoor styles. It's our biggest and best ever summer range. Factory direct and exclusive to Vogue lighting. Save up to 40% now at Vogue, Balcatta, Cannington, Myerie, Osborne Park and Mandurah.
Mitre10's got some mighty powerful gifts for Christmas. Crescent 130-piece tool kit and carry case, $99. Voxon touchscreen GPS system, $269. Mighty helpful for Christmas. Mitre10.
Now, Spider Pig is finally here.
He's not Spider Pig anymore. He's Harry Plopper.
The Simpsons movie available to rent or buy today.
Ricky Gervais, Jamie Oliver, Bob Geldof, Bono, and many more. In the premiere special, Comedy Classics for Comic Relief, Saturday on 7.